Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's our topic is problems of overpopulation. Let's start our topic. The world today faces many problems despite the fact that it has taken long strides in science, technology and knowledge. One such problem is overpopulation, especially in developing countries. The population is growing so fast that it grows in geometric progression, whereas economic goods grow only in arithmetic progression. That demographers say that there will not be literally and any standing space on earth for her teeming millions. Let us find the causes for such a growth, the problem or problems such a growth causes and the possible remedies. The fast growth in population can be attributed to good health, lowering of mortality rate, combating famine when it occurs. With the knowledge of science, many killer diseases have been literally conquered. For instance, smallpox, which used to take a heavy toll of lives, have been eradicated from almost all countries. So too has cholera, plague, and so on. Even tuberculosis is kept under control. The wave of flu, which accounted for millions of deaths in 1919, was nothing but a common cold. Infant mortality has been reduced considerably by taking prenatal and postnatal care. Child mortality is kept under check by protecting the child against tetanus and polio. Thus, while the number of deaths is reduced, there is no control on birth. As the result, the population is increasing at a runaway speed. Again, periodic famine in certain countries used to take away the lives of thousands of people. Now, with the better management of the world's food in the matter of production, storage and distribution, no part of the world needs suffer from famine. Add to this the better fertilizers, high yielding seeds by pest control and water management, there has been revolution in food production. These are some positive conditions which contribute to growth of population. The growth of population has its problems, as we shall see. As there are more and more mouths to be fed, there comes a great strain on the resources of a country. This is real in the case of developing countries, with the result they are unable to push ahead economically. As food is not sufficient, there is chlorine nutrition in these countries, especially in women, and food is not children, resulting in weaker population who would only economically be a drain on the country as their productive years will be short. As health and education are the state's affair, they affect the country's finances. So in developing countries, health and literacy continue to be the problem. In many countries, the slums are the sword to the eye. Slums grow around big cities and are found with all the drawbacks. These are the areas of diseases, filth and crime. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates and videos. Allah Hafiz.